Funny how a simple stop can bring back so many memories.
This door hasn't been opened in decades. Behind this rust and these chains, a legend is waiting to be rediscovered. There she is. My heart is racing. I can already feel the history beneath this cover. The moment of truth. Let's see what time has been hiding inside.
The iconic R107 chassis. Buried under 40 years of dust, but the three-pointed star still shines.
After 40 years of silence, the light finally finds her again. She's rough.
These tires haven't seen a road in decades. They've literally become part of the earth. The interior is a time capsule. Cobwebs and old news. First step is getting her out safely. We need to make sure she doesn't budge during the haul.
It's time to leave the shadows. Next stop, the workshop.
From the darkness of the barn to the bright lights of the shop, this is where the real work begins. She's finally home.
There's an entire forest inside this car. Every leaf we remove brings us one step closer to seeing the real beauty of this classic.
Satisfying, isn't it? Decades of neglect being sucked away in seconds.
Watching 40 years of dirt wash away in a single blast. It's like this Mercedes is finally breathing again. We're letting the foam do the heavy lifting. It's breaking down decades of barn grime, getting her ready for that first real shine in 40 years. Transformation complete. From a forgotten relic in a dusty barn to a masterpiece under the spotlight. This is how a legend should look.
Everything is clean, everything looks right. But she's silent. 40 years of sleep isn't that easy.
It's just about the tools, it's about the grit. This engine hasn't turned in 40 years, and it's putting up a fight. But we're winning.
This is the moment of truth. Rust is like a cancer for these classics. If it's gone too deep into the frame,
I knew it was bad, but I didn't expect this. The rust has eaten through the core.
The heart is out. It's a painful sight, but it's the only way to save her.
Piece by piece, we lay it all out. To fix the whole, you have to understand every single part. The road to recovery is long, but it starts right here on this bench.
The cylinders look good, no deep scores. This block is the foundation of everything. If we get this right, she'll run for another 40 years. Finally, the wait is over. Every gasket, every belt, and every seal is brand new. Now, we put the heart of the legend.
Performance meets classic style. We aren't just making her look good, we're making sure she stops as fast as she goes. These new brakes are a game changer.
The moment of truth, putting the heart back into the beast. She's cleaner and stronger than the day she left the factory. Let's get her hooked up.
To build something beautiful, you have to strip away the years of neglect first. We're taking her down to the bare metal to ensure the This is what keeps the rust away for good. We're sealing every joint and every weld to make sure no moisture ever gets in.
This beauty has been my pride and joy for years. The engine purrs like a dream. All right, lowering it now. Looks good from here. Securing the latches. Perfect. Let's hit the road. Woo, this is living!